All right, let's get started with Facebook and Instagram remarketing. So the first thing I want you to do is go on to business.facebook.com. You're gonna go ahead and click login. It will give you your login. Enter your normal login for Facebook as you usually do. You should get a page to select your business or go straight into your business. As you can see, I've been added on quite a few accounts, so I'm just gonna click on one of them. Great, so within here, my account looks substantially different to yours. You'll probably have a green button around here and another button around here to link your pages. You're able to link pages that already exist. So if you've created it off your personal account, you're welcome to link these in here. You might be asked to create an ad account. This is the account and all the billing information that's associated with that account. And that's only specifically when you start running ads. You will definitely require one for this. And ideally, if you have a page as well, you'll require that too. I'm gonna click in over here at the top. And within business settings, you're going to see all of the information you might need. So within here, you have everyone associated with that specific account. Again, you can see that my account may look a little different, but if you click on account pages and you want to link a page that already exists, if you click on add, you can request access to a page, create a new page, or add a page that you already have from before. With ad accounts, you're able to do the same, create them up here as well. Or you can request access to one if it already exists. We're going to go into Events Manager. And within here, you should see a pixel. So maybe I'll just switch the account so you can see the one that I've been working with now. If you do not have a pixel, if you click on Add New Data Source, Facebook Pixel, you should be able to add one in, and it'll quickly create a pixel with a number that you're going to need, and that's pretty much what we were doing previously in our tutorials. So you can see my pixel's working. I'm receiving events, I'm receiving things going into it, and what I do is I associate that with my account, and I'm going to pop straight into Ads Manager. Ads Manager, if you've created one, will look something like this. There's three levels. There's campaigns, ad sets, and ads. Campaigns are just broad overviews. Ad sets are where we do our targeting for specific people, and ads are more the creative elements. So essentially over here, I have one campaign, one ad set, and one ad. My ad set is where I've created my remarketing audience, and this is where you probably saw a video on your Instagram or Facebook. And my ad is the actual video. So why does Facebook do this and have two levels? It's because imagine I wanted to test 10 different videos and see which one performed better. I can create one ad set and lots of ads within it, and the best one wins. I can switch the rest of them off. Campaigns are higher level. So I may have many ads running for for a specific website, and that could be held on a parent level as well. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new campaign, and we have a lot of different objectives. Generally, traffic, video views, lead generation, and engagement are the ones that we see a lot. If you're doing websites and you do conversions, they are very effective. The issue is because only 1 in 100 people buy on your website, I would normally do a conversion campaign once I have some traffic and a more engaged audience that I know are loyal, and then the conversion one will work very well. For now, we're just going to do a video view because all I wanted out of the video I created is for someone to see that video. So I'm going to say demo video view. I'm going to go ahead and click continue, and it's going to ask me to select my audience. In my audience, I'm going to just click create new custom audience. And in here, I can specify that I want to use the pixel. So I'm going to say my source is my website. It'll understand that that's my pixel. And within my pixel, I'm going to create some conditions. So these conditions that I said were people who specifically visited in the last 7 days demostore.growthrunner.com. And I said exclude people who visited a specific page, which was growthrunner.com. And what this means is show this ad to everyone who's been to Growth Runner. But if someone has visited Learn, which happens to be the link that you click on once you've seen the video, then stop showing them the ad. And what this will do is it'll ensure that the same ad doesn't follow you around continuously. Facebook automatically has a rule against this. I just like to build it in just in case there's too much, you see them too many times. I know Facebook updated the algorithm and now it's only twice. The frequency should be twice, but just in case. I'll go ahead and create that audience. Now that that's done, you can see them in here. So I just associate the ad set to this audience. I can restrict where I want people to see this, but there's no point just because I've restricted them with the audience already. So it doesn't matter where in the world they are. I'm happy for them to see it. Nothing in default targeting, again, because I'm using an audience. And you've got this automatic placement, which is where we actually put where Facebook chooses to display your video, and it's all over Facebook and Instagram. I'm gonna hit edit placements because some of these areas I don't like. Audience network usually means a partner network, which I don't like. I keep Facebook and Instagram, and then I can be more selective on where I want them to be seen. So for example, these, I definitely don't want them to be in your messages. In article doesn't really appeal to me. Apps doesn't appeal to me. I really want it to be somewhere that you use. So I've put them in all of these areas. Scrolling down to the bottom, I don't want to restrict it by mobile phone type. I'm happy for anyone to see it. I'm just going to close this down, and I'm going to put a budget of £1 a day, which is really tiny, mainly because we have so few people, less than 10 people. There's no point trying to spend a lot of money. I'm going to hit continue, and now you can see I've moved into the ad. I've covered the ad set, now moving into the ad itself. If you have a page associated, it'll show up here. I'm going to use Growth Runner. And if you have an Instagram account, you can link your two accounts. If you haven't, it's going to show on Instagram saying Growth Runner, but really there's no actual Instagram account. If you are using Instagram actively, I would highly suggest that you create an Instagram page and link it in. The format we're choosing is a single video. All we want is just one video to show up. In media, I would go ahead and add video. I've already uploaded it. If you haven't, upload yours here. I'm going to click select, continue. Sometimes you get a weird little thumbnail. You can play with edit video and you can change things around. You can crop a little bit if you need to. And that's that. I'm going to go down into text and links. I've put, this is taken automatically from my website. It's just a Facebook standard tool, and I can write in, my title here. And over here, you're able to preview how it's going to look. And you can just click here and you can see all of the titles. Usually you can add a website URL, which I do as well. And you can put in, headlines and customize it a little more. And they'll start popping up as you put them in. You don't have to, you can. Languages, I don't really use. Your tracking, it's very essential that you use this Facebook pixel. I normally add in URL parameters. You don't have to. This is if you have things like Google Analytics and you want to ensure that it definitely understands that this video is from Facebook, you can populate these. And I'll do maybe a tutorial later on URL parameters to explain them a bit better, but just so you know, that's what needs to be done. I'll go ahead and hit review. Just make sure everything is done correctly. So over here, I type in REM, which just means remarketing. It's the way I differentiate the audiences. And I'll say, demo store. I'll hit confirm. And that is that. The video has now been created. it is publishing, and it's going to go to Facebook for someone to approve it. And that's how you create remarketing. Thanks guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Please feel free to drop me an email, stay in touch in any way, or there should be a join the club link somewhere to jump on to a mailing list, and what I'll do is email you when there's something to email about. If there's nothing to email about, you go about your day, I'll go about mine. See you soon, keep learning.